Some boats are made for the dock. The Sea Ray SLX 360 is made for leaving early and staying out until you decide otherwise. Built in Knoxville, Tennessee. Sea Ray has been doing this since 1959. American day boats that run hard, look good doing it, and go back out the next morning. 3. Mercury Verado Phi-8 outboards on the transom. On plane before the chop has a chance to push back. 52 miles an hour when you want distance fast. You're past the inlet and into open water before most people have finished topping off their fuel. Hit the button and the submersible platform opens. 3 extra feet of beach club right over the water. Anchor up, platform out, full outdoor deck before the hook settles. Joystick piloting manages 3 independent outboards from 1 input. Tight marinas, side docks, crosswind docking. You handle it yourself. Below the helm, a real queen V-berth. Stand-up wet head. Climate control. Enough to keep you out past sundown and into the next morning. This is a day boat you can live on, not permanently, just long enough that the day doesn't have to end at the dock. For the full spec sheet and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.